What is up, boss? In this video, we'll show you how to use your permanent Zoom link. Your permanent Zoom link is something that you get from Zoom themselves. So just log into your Zoom account and look for your permanent link. Just to keep in mind that what you're doing in this, if you want to use your permanent link, you are not using the Book Like a Boss integration with Zoom. You're basically avoiding that integration, and this is how you'll do it. So make sure you have your integration, your code ready. And what you want to do is you want to go into the page settings, text colors, and fonts. And we're going to set this up globally first. And that is your confirmation email message. You want to put a message like this: we'll meet in my Zoom room. And then you put in your custom link here. And you want to do it also in your reminder emails, right? This way, when they get the confirmation email or when they get the reminder emails, they'll have the link to your permanent Zoom room. So that's one way to do it. Some people, and I'll show you if you go to your booking pages. Let's go to an appointment. Some people want to put it in the subject line itself. They don't care that the Zoom link is public. Although I would suggest not doing it that way. But if you want to do it that way, you can. So let's go to an intro call. And what you do is in the subject line, in the description, you could put that line. Again, I don't think you should do it that way. But also, if there are some appointments you don't want to use the global settings, but you want to offer it on a specific type of booking. So just go into any booking, you edit it, click on the little envelope up here, and again, put it in the confirmation email. If you don't want to use global, put it there, save changes, and we're also going to put it in the reminder emails as well. Unclick global, put it in there, save changes. Now, when somebody books you for this specific appointment, they'll get that link in the confirmation email and in the reminder emails. And that's how you can use your permanent Zoom link with Book Like a Boss.